Sanibonani guys, how are you guys? Igama lami ngiJozi, ngiyabonga kuma subscribers wami. Please subscribe, like and interact kuma videos engiwapostayo. I'm a storyteller kubantu abangazi abasha. Welcome to my channel. Ngikhuluma istory ze-real life. Uma une-story sekuhluphayo ungakhona ukusharela omunye umuntu, you can inbox me ku TikTok, mina ngizelana ngisnarrate abantu bakuphi advice, and it's a way of healing each other. The more you share istory sakho nabantu abangazi bazokupha like lisedi on what you can do to uphile or uziphile or like uni protect. So is an indaba mina ngize nendlebe. Okay, ratsa babe. Okay, sharp. Usisi yangibhala awushozi sizifake emanyaleni. And I would sluphekile ne urata chelete. Or awushozi urata chelete lo rata bophelo bo fancy sometimes ku dangerous. Uthi mina nomyeni wami awushozi bese right. Mina wabe tender premier azranela amathenda wakhe lawa normally bayamazi endaweni ukuthi vele udila ngani beku right. Kwenze ukuthi uthola itender enemali. My husband was like, you know what, my wife siyamuva la sohlala le ku posh khona esilungwini. Or also my husband bought us a beautiful house or indlu ebila enazanga believer hore ngahlala kiyo ngingumthabiseni. So to umthabiseni usisi ngumthabiseni. I didn't think ukuthi unzima ndangaza ngithengele indlu nje uthi indlu enhle, indlu sibona kuma TV, indlu sibona kubo kanike ngisho eladindlu yona leyo man. Uthi indlu enhle sihlale lapho vele. Uthi manje i-cost of living phela siyaqala vele iyakhuphuka because sihlala ku level la ephezulu. Ora awushozi lana siphila kuyo kule area siphila kiyo manje. Ora kuna le level of classism. Uthi especially us ama housewife esingasebenzi, ama husband wethu arana i-business. Awushozi like bawujaja ka hore monna ha ona le child ka potla ya monna ha le driver le drive le for how many months le changeaneng phanya ko bona hore I wealthy or uyazama zama uyenza cut and paste uthi iphile engibonile ukuthi iphile siphile kule recipe like uthi abo housewife like they know each other because of akathi khona le committee or ona le board or whatever la kuhlaliwa khona lapho kule ngiphosh uthi bayazana. It's like baya inviteana kuma tennis kuma in so nami ngazana nalo wase next door la ngihlala khona ugela ayiwa nice ugela nayo indoda yakhe nama business vele naye vele you can see ukuthi ba maniti bana imali. Hayi ngithoma ugela vele yang hotspot nalaba abanye ukuthi no thina community yethu siphila like this siyazikhipha siyakuma trips siyakuphi if ever like you're interested hotspot nalama ladies ube part of the team. Or awushozi one thing ni noticeile ngabantu abanemali siphila impilo ngathi si high school. Kuyoba ni cheerleader controller isilalela yona because of ona le chelete ntwa high ipila mona ha ona chelete afuta ya bana barena. So like you are leader of the group. Or awushozi kube kanjalo ke uthi ngibona ukuthi abantu labo simpilo fancy banama mates banani mina benganayo like help. So nama ngileti ukuthi ngibe ne helper phela ngibe ko level. Or awushozi the designer bags janete bali change boxhoko. Uthi ucabanga ukuthi mina ngicela ufika kule area thina bese sihlalela la bengifila khona ukuthi ngitop madam manje la ngifike khona ngafila ukuthi almost ngiku last number akisali top yabona. So ngifike ngikhulume nomyeni wami husband phela 1 2 3 abo mama labo mama banemali labo yabona. So you need to up your game phela yabona. So na husband naye yamtshela ukuthi hey phela amajita laba ngangi-invite labantu laba drive izinto eziserious labantu bakhuluma ngezimali maleshisiwe mina ukuthi nathi is-upgrade. Kwenza ukuthi awushozi la umyeni wamajwayelo ukuthi uyabhida khona like amathenda we know ukuthi uyobhida lapho ithol obviously we know because of sane connection wazi abantu uyazi who to bribe uyazi what to do. So maka yobhida kanjalo le besibhekile ngamahlobo omsithi izosibooster because of cost of living yethu ichintshile angayitholi kube nomunye ubaba ufikayo omushi bathi ubaba uchabalala uyobhida ayitholi. Okay fine sidlulise siyobhida somewhere else masifika lapha yana ubaba uchabalala nayo khona afike vele ayitholi tender andlule nayo. or awusithozi sicabanga ukuthi my husband ubhayibhile abantu ama-officials why fanele ukuthi angayitholi le tender le kiwe kuyobuzwa phela ukuthi sokuphile phela iya-family for this tender. So why tender officialete tender sayitholi uthi uvele ubabasho ukuthi lo muntu lona engathi usihambela ngento eserious makafika lana masikhuluma akakhuluma wonke umuntu uyatatazela akekho umuntu ongamtatazeleli yabona kube ukuthi one of the official slaba bayenza khona ama-tender atshele ubaba ukuthi kwenzakalani yabona. Hayi uthi my husband asho ukuthi no uNzimande asho ukuthi no should lo muntu lo ikhona into ahamba nayo encane emfishane or uhamba nani, we need to go and find out ukuthi wenza ngani nathi senza ngaphela ngeke usithathela isinkwa emlolweni phela uthi awushoze ucabanga ukuthi thina sesiphilisa indaba yamathenda. If ever amathenda side need to abadry it means ukuthi we need to move out kule ndawo le because ngeke sizakhona uku-afford and sibele back to la sibela khona and of which sethi rebuildile a name for ourselves la sihlala khona and my husband naye saphela athathu labangani and naye bamrespecta as a businessman. So we cannot lose lento lesesikhaya we create. Alright, awushozi my husband abiza umunye umngani wakhe vele waseGasi vele athi mkhulukuthi ngikuthi sihlangane sinekhuluma kunendaba efuna ukuthi sikhulume lokushesha. So umngani wakhe lo ke waspend isikhathi ejele uyabaza abantu bama-underdog abadila ngezinto ezikhohlakele izinto ezisnacks inzona zamathenda like wazi abantu. So ambize athi ngicela ukuthi sizokhuluma ngendaba vele shesha imfuthi ungiphe uncede ngayo. Alright, awushozi eze vele the friend bakafika kukhulunywe ufriend athi ayi mina uChabalala ngiyamazi uChabalala vele bathi uhamba nenyoka Chabalala vele uthwele unezinto zakhe zokuthwala la afika khona ke umuntu ozomalela makafika nje bayavuma vele uNzimande athi vele wenze njani ngasemathendeni wonke amathetha sathatha uyi. So ngifuna ukumgudluza phela le position yami angeke ngivume ukuthi umuntu asuke la suka khona afika azongigudluza esitulweni sami yabona. Hayi uNkulunkulu the friend was like, you know what, I know someone but asiwa ngapha wa-organt ongakunceda ukuthi ugudluze uChabalala kulesitulo sakho ukuthi uthathele amathenda. Hayi organize but athi the friend athi, you know what, masiya lapho you need to go umfazi wakho because inezinto ezodinga i-approval kasisi. So fanele ukuthi masiyohamba sihambe sonke so 3 then mina ngizonikhapha lapho ukuthi nisala nenzani lapho kuyoba indaba zenu but mina ngidaba kilifehele dates yabona. Uthi vele uthi uNzimande ambuza lo muntu lo like uyayazi into yakhe uyayazi igame na uthi uNkulunkulu asho ukuthi mina lo muntu ngiyamazi usaba ukhipha abantu abasejele abantu afuna ukuthi vele babagwebe i-life sentence akhona ukubakhipha. So I think ukuthi uzokhona ukunceda or awushozi uvunyelwane like that kusituwe i-date ukuthi uNkulunkulu uyasikhapha kulo makhosi lo wa-organt and i-final decision bayifuna kimi because of mina I'm the wife. Hayi lifike vele la ngisihamba ngalo sigibele uthi sidrive vele sidrive uthi awushozi Ritsa Maye uthi sihambe yazwa uthi sihambe sibe ukuthi sesiyafika ke masifika lapho. Awushozi la kunomoya khona ongasi right umzimba wakho uyokusensela usafika ukuthi yabona la awungahambanga kahle. Awushozi asifika lapho uthi bengizwe igazi lami lithi uthi inwele zami zibaleka uthi ngizwe ukuthi yabona la asingahamba uthi ngimbuza umyeni wami ngithi mara Nzimande are you sure ndaba indlela uyithathayo are you sure angeke sizisole na yabona. Uthi Nzimande vela Fostela athi mama ngeke ngivume phela enye indoda ikhiphe isinkwa emlomeni so ngiyophinda ngibelele ngibashiye khona sibele back emuva sisuke esilungwini sibele back emuva hayi angeke khona ayikhonakali forward we go. Awushozi sifike vele lapha uthi masifika ne uyazibona lezi nyoni lezi ezimnyama bazibiza ini lezi nyoni ezimnyama uthi mawufika like le ndawo izungezwe izinyoni lezi ezimnyama uthi yizo zigcwele lapha yana kule ndawo. Uthi mawufika imoto mayiphaka kuba like nomuntu umayo like egate la niphaka khona ufika makafika lapha kakhuluma nina nokhuluma ukuthi ufune ufika ame athi tu uNkulunkulu asho ukuthi bazile baze kubaba bazoyenza 1 2 3 4 yabona. Uthi bayanclassify ukuthi laba bazoyenzani laba anihlali like eline A1 bayanclassify lapho ukusazi ukuthi ubaba ipriority abaphi wasegcineni yabona. hayi awushozi masicede lapha sihlala khona vele uthi ngibone vele umlungu or awushozi abelungu bayawahamba abomakhosi abelungu bayahamba abomakhosi ungatshela amanga ungatshela umuntu amanga cause msema sifika lapha yana babiza lo mlungu wangena yena thina vele salinde nyana after makuphuma umlungu babiza ukuthi kuya ngokuthi main priority abobani because of thina size indaba ze maliningi and nokuthwali kulabona uthi hayi vele umlungu makaphuma vele kungene thina hayi ngene vele no baba lo muntu lo vele uthi le ndomba le like awungena athi like is like lishaka ngisathi ngichaza kanjani uthi mawungena like uyangena ne like let's say this is the door ne uyangena so mawungena ngisho ukuthi endombeni siyazi ngisho indomba siyazi round uvela ungene direct uthi mawungena la ngaphakathi bayenze uc like uyangena so and then ujikeleza and then uqeda la when uhlala like la ngasebodeni lelijikeleza and then ngapha kunale like ibodenyana so umakhosi awumboni direct ukhuluma naye then yena like kunale libotanyana so kunale curtain eblack and then mafuthi wenze something uyakhipha or like wena umoni like sifaqhong like this but yena uzokhuluma uthi maka akathahluba akaphonsa amathambo like le mat between the curtain nani then bakaphonsa like idilo tsa gage mo godimo mkhopha uthi sponsor so thungale ngakini like le curtain le dibisang le sefelayo but le black uthi uyakhona ukuthathuba nanibona naye ngapha so akaphuma kan mixela like imithi in akaphumi ngale nimbone nene ukhuluma naye nizengicede in that side yabona so uthi makhosi like uyakhuluma like English but ayizwakali so there is this person next to makhosi uya translate if like understand kahle yabona uthi masifika lapha yana vele asho ukuthi ayimizwile ukuthi indoda ubuze ngani yabona isikhalo sakho yini unawo amashumi na unayo imali because into efunayo ifuna imali or I choose my husband avumathi mina imali akusinkinga if ever ungakhona ukuthi uyenze lento mina ngicela kuwe makhosi wazi amanzi amancane into engiphila ngayo every day ngakwenzela noma yini so wena baba ngifuna ukuthi mina uzikhulumele ukuthi wena usela ufuna ini hayi uthi Nzimande awusijozi akhuluma uthi kitengi muke nami ngiguqa ngamadola akhuluma ukuthi ngifuna into izoba powerful engeke ifengeke muthomo abona esuthi mangifika endaweni kubonakala ukuthi ufikile umuntu onamandla umuntu ozobuswa athi ngifuna something like that amchazela ukuthi usemabhizinisini asebenza kanjani so there is this person osile uthi vele abeke yonke indaba etafuleni hayi uthi makhosi amtshela ukuthi mina ngingakupha something but now kumele ukuthi unikeze into ethandayo this is your choice ngizonipha isikhathi niye ngaphandle nomama nikhulumisane but mina into engiyifunayo isensitive and when amene ukuthi give uzisho ukuthi uyazinikeza like wadiniela wena ngomlomo wakho and then that's when we can proceed or awushozo uNzimande abuza athi mina baba ngiunderstand yini le engayisacrifice ukuthi mina ngikebele chelete ngibe nomnotho ithanda yini engayisacrifice uthi umakhosi athi kuNzimande athi ubudoda bakho the only part engazi ukuthi ube successful ube powerful yonke into lo ifuna ukuyithola ukuthi usacrifice ngobudoda uthi uNzimande angafuna ukuphakama athi mina baba ngiyayifuna lento le but ubudoda ngeke ngikhona ukusacrifice ngayo for now what can you give me engayisebenzisa ngibona ukuthi angeke izilunge na beside ubudoda hayi bathu umakhosi athi okay for now ngakunikeza isilwane uzohamba naso uzosihlokomela but if ever uthi lo muntu lo upowerful asakuthi ngiphethe singangani but I can try and give you this inayo and then sibone ukuthi yosebenza phambili mangasebenzi ubuye naso then we will try the solution le option number 2 engitshele ngayo because leyo is the best one or I chose this sifumeke or basinikeze enye glass jar engaka uthi ngapha ngaphakathi kwale glass jar una like a small uthi bengicabanga ukuthi kilo gokolodi naze gokolodini uthi a small snake but like encane like angeke izijampise uthi amtshele ukuthi each and every time makayobhida ahambe naye ayifake like esikhwameni sakhe kojaketing manje makafika emnyango mazongena athathe le bhodlela alithi that akhulume ukuthi sithatha ukungokwethu and then ba continue ke right awushoze sibona ukuthi hayi le ingcono uthi ayisibiyele ke fike ukuthi phana ukuthi ayobhida itender somewhere kulinye province la ne business makhona uthi makafika lapha uchabalala uteng demo uchabalala uteng demo uthi bongohle njalo kahle kahle ifuna umphefumulo wami uthi afike akhulumise lento lena abamuphe yona ayinyakazise athi sizothatha okungokwethu uthi vela akhulume 3 times sizothatha okungokwethu makasubmita ama documents or awushozi angawubotsa hore my husband azangaza ithole leyo tender asangaza ithole yawina uchabalala uthi my husband labona khona ukuthi uchabalala ustrong uhamba izinyanga ezistrong uthi lelo langa makaqeda ukukhuluma ukuthi tender bay awadele ubani uthi my husband afike endlini anyanyile athi mngam siyabiyela lapha phela imali ayisangeni la if imali ngasangeni kusho ukuthi mina nawe vele siyopherisha ngeke sakhona ukuafforda lempilo asibiyele lapha yana or awushoze nje ukuthi myeni iphalento le baqeda ukupha yona ichance isikhathi sokufika ina neviki la ngicela ukuthi uyiphi chance or awushoze my husband didn't want to listen athi ngithi siyabiyela kulo yamakhosi imali engishila lapha iningabi so fanele ukuthi kube nento ezosebenza zokunikeza yona or awushoze this time we left different asangisabe no different sihambe soyi2 uthi hayi sa drive safika masifika umakhosi kube ngathi bekasimile masithi club sivele sifika ubhuti vele asibisi athi bathi ngenani singene makhosi amchazele vele unzima ukuthi into ongiphe yona ayangisebenzelanga kwenzeke 1 2 3 lo muntu kusho ukuthi into yakhe inkulu kunale ngiphe ngicela ungiphe ibigger one ingizwazi ukuthi mangifika yarula uthi umakhosi amtshele futhi athi mina ngitshele one thing ngathi mina into enamandla engeke baze bakubhide ngayo ubudoda bakho ngipha bona then wena impilo ozoyiphila izoshelela akekho umuntu ozoma nawe isticking like this uthi mawufika uzwakala ukuthi ufikile unzimani uzothi mawuhamba kubonakala ukuthi unzimani uhambile athi ngakupha umnotho ngakupha amandla awushoze asitshele futhi athi ngiphi isikhathi amani ngaphandle nediscuss uzothi manje kumelene nizobuya because lento lefuna ukuthi noyi2 nivume kungabe ukuthi owanavuma owanakavuma because lo muntu umuntu wakho angisho nishadile so yonke decision ifela from the two of you or awushoze singaphandle ngimtshela indima unzimane ngithi nzimane mina lento leseyangithusa ubudoda bakho kungena kuphi emathendeni nezimalini mina lento le yangithusa I think ukuthi ngcono siyeke siphindele emuva sizaphila ngaleni incane udimande unzimande was like no angibiyeli naye emuva lento engize nayo la lento isala la mina kamara ubudoda bami babuthathe hathiwe mama angisho bakhona lezi zinto lesenizithengayo ezikhona ukuthi nizenze ngazo sizathenga zona musingakwenza ngazo mina ubudoda mama abongisebenzeli ngifuna imali or awushozi one thing nginoticile about money iya control archelete itsena mama dini lepelong lethalukanye iya control there is no other thing ozoyibona beside ukuthi ube nemali eningi udlule osibanibani athi my husband because la kule level ukuthi ufuna ukudlula abosibanibani enafuna ukuthi abe nemali eningi and yena he cannot like give up manje sa travel isikhathi eside kangaka or awushoze ngibona or akena choice let me be that supportive wife ngisupporte monna wakho ntunganyakanga at the end of the day izobenefita na izobenefita abantwana bazobenefita my family will benefit the family yakhe izobenefita or awushoze sibele ngaphakathi endombeni uthi unzimande ashothi baba iproposal yakho ngiyayivuma or awushoze immediately athi ngiyayivuma athi baba lo muzi athi umlilo ngaka kuba siwe umlili uthi angitshele athi ndimande khumula or awushoze molu or khotlale moshula this like assistant the translator uthi ibase kushise kube ngathi sisifuthweni uthi athi nzimande khumula lento seyenza ndoda inkulu kabi khumula ungathathi isikhathi khumula or awushoze kebulela so kubotsho umonaka mina ngihleli phansi uthi ndoda yami yakhumula yabanje kwaba yi assistant nomakhosi ngapha kwaba yimi and my husband uthi awushoze mina khumule umnini angene ebhavini agezwe afuthiswe umyeni wami afuthiswe uthi sibe ngale maybe close to 2 hours ngale ntombeni afuthiswe uthi aqale vele this man noma cause akhulume vele language yabo singayazi akhulume or awushoze abolele uthola ukuthi ngapha engqondweni sokukhala pho ngathi this thing ayenza se affectana mentally. Uthi ayenza aqeda umyeni wami vele aphuma. Uthi kulobona like my husband abantu abadark athi kulobona umuntu odark ambashile ukuthi ubanjani athi uphume amhlophe like umhlophe lokuthi umbashile ngathi izombi. Uthi aphume nje uthi nami vele ngithuke ngithi mara what's going on. Uthi ngifuna ukubona phela ukuthi injombi khona bangayijubanga na or awushozi sizothi ijombi nangaza ngisho ukuthi ngithi ijombi ngikhuluma ngani ngibambe ijombi ngishazi ukuthi ijombi athi la kunobu lezi zinto yabona ezithule lezi zijombi athi vele uhambe ayenza ama 11 then afaka something red in between la yenze khona la ma 11 ufake umuthi or awushozi athi hambani athi from now on everything you touch everything you touch izokufakela imali ningahamba or awushozi isikhokhe sihambe mas travela uthi vele ngibheka umyeni wami ngizitshela ukuthi umuntu lo una like sacrificing into enkulu what if into sakhe lesabereka wabona oray sihambe sendlini uthi masifendlini vele umyeni wami vele afike athi akazizwa kahle ucela ulala uthi awushozi umuntu alale the whole day alale the whole night. So la ngavu uthi ngithatha ifoni ngithi makhosi umyeni wami phela nangu akavuka athi mikele isihlahla sisangena egazini uzovuka abe right. Or awushozi umyeni wami vele avuke around 10 PM ebusuku uthi makavuka kube umuntu ukuthi vele like thirsty like ube ngari kulona like umuntu alikukhomini makavuka uvuka atlakatlakana ngazizwa ukuthi unjani uze kanjani ufike kanjani abe like that. Hamba uthi ufike kanjani kwenzekeni uthi ngimchazela ukuthi wona usakhumbula ufika kuphi uthathi ngcine vele sisuka le mtshela ukuthi nosifikile walala solulele phela ngaze ngathi ungafonela umakhosi wathi gazi umuntu usangena egazini uzoba right. So at least now so ufukile phela bengithukiwe yabona uthi ngichazela ayivele athi okay no fine it's no problem ngizoba right. Or awushozi angakutshela ukuthi my husband from there ne uthi kulamathenda labesela khona already abisi ngawo uthi awushozi bebama extendela America just like this or chelete itsena just like this uthi like unga-understand ukuthi labantu laba bamazela kuphi bazokuphi ngayo uthi bebavele bamtrust makhuluma something my husband uthi like kule community sifikiyo like le bemumjaja and stuff like that uthi my husband bekathi makhuluma uthi hey guys asihambe nisene campaign kuphi ritsamaya kadini uthi like akekho umuntu ozomquestion or like ngabona ukuthi my husband unamandla uthi kwaba nomsebenzi kithi after sesibuya le uthi awushozi masifika lapha yana kuyadiscusswa phela ukuthi wenza uthi umyeni wamazi akangizanithekela inkomo zethu senze 1 2 3 4 5 or like abethamlawo kohesu uthi mina nginabo malume bama strict abangathathi nonsense uthi ngithole onke umuntu sathi ya uyakhuluma la benzi manje sayizwa indaba yakho uthi like kwaba ukuthi anything my husband akhuluma yithi kwabe sikuthi yalandelela that's when ngarealize ngathi lento lo myeni wamahamba ngayi serious or mara mputhi sore baba elaya jombi berka jwang or awushozi kwabe uqala wenkinga zethu uthi money was flowing in very nicely kamnandi nami kulikosikwate ngisaka bibazi ukuthi yabona lo unemali akadlali uthi bengifika mina ngithi asambe nisengikuphi ngifike Elvis shop ngifike ngithenge something yabo 80 grand same time or kibona uribana nkabathosa uthi like benginemali to an extent ukuthi imali bengasese inkinga empilweni yami but umshado wami bosenkingeni or awushozi my husband azulu athize ngizakuthengela izinto lezi sikusebenzisa zabantu abadala zeplastic abasebenzayo sizothenga zona or awushozi esisakhuluma ngayo sithenge zona uthi masithenge zona kube ukuthi my husband wankitsa kalulitsele because of into yamona waka ayisabereka non-functional even if umntwana banubona umntwana kuseni makavuka like yabona makuthusho ukuthi kuyaphela ke alive uthi into ka my husband awushozi lihatso wafro ayina reaction ididimetse erileto to an extent ukuthi my husband nanoma sengingqina umkhumulile akafuni ukungibona because there is nothing angayenza because into ayibereki. Uthi to an extent ukuthi sesijwayele ukuthi uyangenza ngalezi zinto lezo or ngiyazi DJ nchayi, but outside the world sinemali, everyone ufisa ukuba yimi but they don't know ukuthi kwenzakalani. What I was choosing umyeni wami kube ukuthi so uyaqala ke so ufuna uzisatisfy ngokumuzwa or like uyavukelwa but hana a way to satisfy himself because into aina ichaza ngithini ayina mayikutlo like ngiyoyichaza ngithini Nkosi yami like uyafila ne but not this part I feel but yena unale takatso ya hore nyaka something but into hore ayenzeke release kusuke kuphele that enjoyment everything ayikhonakala because of this part ayisebenza. What I was just angakutshela ukuthi my husband decided ukuthi lezi zinto sizithengile sisebenzise kuye but sisebenzise to the other whole yakhe. What I was choosing mina lezi zinto lezo ukuthi mawumfazi uyakhona ukugcoka as iphenti wozistrap ngayo kube ngathi ngeyakho iqine kube ngathi ngeyakho and then for you to be functional to a partner. Or I was choosing kufika to a point ukuthi athi asithengele into le sikhona ukwenza ngayo ngenze ngayo. Uthi at first bengithukiwe ukuthi what's going on, uthi bengithukiwe but as umyeni wami and lento lena saba agreement ki thisoyi2 uthi into right but la rinyaka chelete rinyaka eng kwaba ukuthi ngiyavuma ukuthi no I will assist you ususe this edge onayo because ona leona. Or I was choosing ke wazibona umuntu wesifazane bending your husband umenza lezi zinto umenza zona with at first it was trauma, bewe traumatic experience engayibona engazifisa ngathi uNkulunkulu wami ayibe kuqala but kube kuqala. Or I shows my husband uqiniseka aba addicted ukuthi every night ngimetsa kakwa kanto othi bekuyinto enyanyisayo engazange ngize ngifise ukuthi at my age kolinyalo ngilaka ngikho experience uthi mawuyenza like ufila ubumnati esifu uyogibele mi like ufila ubumnati like ayenze nama sex ayenze nama sounds uthi kudwa munati. Or I was choosing lento le yenzeke for over 6 months to an extent ukuthi ngimhlalise phansi ngithi mina wami na this thing yan traumatize and you no longer do it kimi sengenza wena and as umuntu wesifazane nami nginalama iguqo awuri kabatla kenza ke monna but wena now it's all about you. Uthi vela xasuke vele my husband angitshela ukuthi lento lena basitshela ukuthi lapha we need to sacrifice. Mina I sacrificed ngobudodwa bami so now ngithi ngenzela ifavor ngitshela ukuthi traumatic experience don't you think ukuthi is very traumatic kimi ukuthi mangivuka into yami ingavuki mangichama into yami ingabi nebalance fanele ngibalance ati do you think ukuthi it's easy for me? What I was choosing this thing it create like matata between me and my husband should aqasuke like angive like this like abulelele na in a bad way should angikhoma ukuthi akurapeli if you don't want to do it yimi bakhona ngaphandle abazongenza lento engiyifunayo. But I was just kisa believer like that man I respected that man or respect how everyone ungazathi if ever ngifuna ukuthi mina ungenze bakhona ngaphandle abazongenza mina ukuthi there are guys who are willing to do into wena ungafuna ukuyenza. Mina I sacrificed for this life but when I ngitshela nge-traumatic experience or kube ukuthi uyavuka empedeni lo langa ahambe uthi my husband angaboyi ahambe the whole night away the following day makaboye kube never mind. Or I was just ngimtshela ngithi yabona ukuthi imali sayasicabanisa yabona ukuthi imali sayasicabanisa and mina nawe sayenza ivow ukuthi mina nawe so ngeke sicabaniswe imali but asele imali senza so khonula lamalundi ulele kuphi uthi abe never mind asikakena taba yaka uthi mangikhuluma naye athi traumatic experience uthi mangikhuluma naye athi traumatic experience angangiphenduli kube never mind asingekho kena taba yaka. Or I was just like ngiphuke emoyeni ngiphuke emoyeni ngibona ukuthi I'm losing this man and I'm losing my husband ngindaba ukuthi besifuna impilo right, impilo enemali. But now I'm no longer enjoying le mpilo enemali. Uthi awusho mama ngibona ngihamba naye, you won't even believe ukuthi sinenkinga. Uthi my husband, he's a good pretender ku everyone. Uthi angaza pretend makabona abantu sisemall athi hayi ngilethe umfazi wami ngizomthengela in ngilethe umfazi wami la egarage ngizomthengela imoto ukusho. Uthi like uyakhona ukupretenda lo yamuntu but ngendlini akuna peace. Uthi hayi ngikhuze lokho awushozi my husband kube ukuthi ke manje sekuyahlebiwe ukuthi indoda yami ilala nabafana. Indoda yami ibhadala labafana ukuthi balale naye. So kube into ukuthi igossip athi you know ukuthi into ungayenza ebumnyameni but eventually it will come out. Ikhanyeni kube ukuthi no babone my husband hama nabafana. Yeah, my husband, hey, there was this guy uthi say my husband offer imali ukuthi alale naye. Or I was just a very respected man. Ne, but involved nabafana. Uthi this thing say iqala vele seyakhulunywa. Uthi kuma ladies lawa ngibatshela ukuthi no kunomuntu ospreada igama lesinaks windoda yami because of like simthathela ithenda lakhe, so ufuna ukumosha isithunzi. There is no such thing. What I was just awulemsadi will try by all means to protect her amanyala yenza indoda yakho. Uthi I had to sit him down with, you know what, if ever when asofuna abafana fonela labantu bakhubazela nendlela nokuthi nihambe kuma guest house ngoma hotel banibone nalabantu laba because people bathatha ama pictures bakhuluma ngawo. Please let's respect ke umshado wethu. But I was just kube yimi allowing my husband to bring young boys endlini yethu. Uthi indlu yethu like it's a very big house, then ngalemuva kune babiza in a granny flat. Like it's a small house in a kitchen, a dining room encane, ne camera ne shower. Uthi my husband will bring young guys by ngalemuva and do whatever they want to do. And then what else was it? The way makaqeda ukwenza lento le aba excited ngakhona, hambe atsama ikasifuba, actually whiskey high anwe atsube sika, ari ubona umuntu excited into ayirang wa enjoy. Uthi ngimcela ukuthi ngizimande like this thing say too much. Now I'm no longer a wife. Saying usisi wakho, saying helper yakho, this is too much. Uthi manda angitshela athi bona sisi, if le mpilo lena ikusebenzele, you can pack your bags and fuck off endlini yami. This is my life, ngichusile and mina ngiyophila kanje. It's either you accept it or to uyahamba. But I didn't even believe would one day this man ukanjikela like this. Uthi angitshele kahle mina ukhohle ukuthi ngizolala nawe. Angeke ngilale nawo. Mina lento ngithola kulabafana I right for mina. So if ufuna uhlala ngapho, just know ukuthi angeke ngize ngilale nawe. Number 1. Number 2, angeke ngikuphe lento oyifunayo wena yami ngimuzwa angeke ngikhone. Number 3, this is my new life. Le mpilo le iflesh oyithandayo iletha ile mpilo engiphilayo. Or awushozi ngithatha ifoni ngifonela uMakhosi ngikhala, Makhosi shado wami yaphela. Babonza imali sakala nabafana. Makhosi achaza athi makoti lento le that's why ngithi idlalani ngaphandle nikhulumisane ingazi ukuthi njani. Umyeni wakho angeke usamkhona makalapho. Into ayizilwe into ozophila ngayo forever. Cause la akuna reverse. Into usacrificeile usacrificeile. Or awushozi kwaba ukuthi mina engene yami sengiba izombi just like that. Akibone ke moto angikhona ukuphuma ngijola cause uyangitrace ukuthi ngikuphi, ungitshelile ukuthi instead of mina ngithatha izinto zakhe zodwa ngaphandle, it's either divorce or awushoza kana lokho divorce akibereki. I got used to this lifestyle, expensive lifestyle. Kenali expensive taste, kenali expensive things. If ngiphuma kulomshado lo, uphuma nginje or uphuma ngebhokisi cause I know ukuthi he's not willing to lose any money. Ngathi ngithi half like he's not willing to lose imali. But they now enjoy life yakhe. We are satisfied everywhere la yakhona. But then na ake satisfied. Uthi the sad part is that masiya emshadweni riya kumasong riya ku partying riya ku guy uthi he's a loving husband. Uthi mngeni wami ya pretender awusjuzi or umuthola upretender to extend ukuthi nawe ube shocked ukuthi kade ngishikazi ngishadane nobani. Uthi uyo pretender kanjalo ngixabekile number 1 athi umfazi wami nambona ukuthi umuhle kanjani. Umfazi wami yakhona uqoqa. Umfazi wami yakhona uqoqa. Umfazi wami yakhona uqoqa. Like utawuprisa awubiyeme. Ekubiyamo. But immediately ngingena emotweni ibayi2 kungabi neaudience. Reality hita ini zabafonela hey Dumsani bengakhona ukuza namuhla uzobona ubaba. ati u date nama small guys and ubafachelete or awushows ibise sikixwayetsa ngabona umuntu nje asegate amfana sengivele ngilivule ngivule bahambe baye ngale muva ngoba sifa ukuthi bafiyela kuphi bayenze whatever bayenzayo umuntu aphuma hambe or awushows I'm in this situation aketsi gore ngayitsa jwang ngawuthi ngayenza njani to help my husband or to save my marriage or to save myself because kuqwa botlhoko every single thing. The only thing sesiyenzayo nje pretend. Everywhere I go I pretend I'm no longer myself. At this thing ayingilalisi iyangidla every single day. Ketse jwang awusjosi. Yeah, like namanzusha.